Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat camera not working. So if your Snapchat camera is showing a black screen, freezing or not opening at all, just follow the simple fixes. First, make sure Snapchat has permission to access your camera. For that you need to go to settings, find Snapchat and then enable camera access. Next, completely close the Snapchat app and then open it again. For that, you need to scroll upwards from the bottom of your screen and then remove the Snapchat app from the recent apps and then try opening your camera again. After that, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if camera starts working properly. You should also try turning on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turning it back off again. Next, check if the Snapchat app needs an update. For that, you need to open App Store, search for Snapchat and then tap on Update if it appears. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A quick restart can fix temporary software issues affecting the camera. So that was how to fix a Snapchat camera not working. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.